want to talk to you about printing to different types of paper. Earlier I went over the reasons you might want to choose different types of paper for your printer, such as photo paper, CD label paper, cardstock, and other such papers. But really choosing a paper and loading it in your printer is not enough to ensure that you get the most quality and the expected results out of your printing. In your operating system, when you go to print, your printer setup will allow you to select presets, such as this one has photo on plain paper, photo on photo paper, and photo on matte paper. But you can also click the Advanced tab, and this will give you more options. Under the tab Select, you can choose Quality and Media, and this will allow you to choose what kind of media type you're using in your printer. Photo paper, glossy photo paper, high resolution paper, t-shirt transfers, envelope paper, and transparencies, and even allows you to specify your own settings for the paper. Some paper manufacturers include instructions with special paper types on how to set up your system and use different types of paper.